Hello viewers, are you facing this person is no longer on WhatsApp, invite to join again your problem? It usually means the person deleted their WhatsApp account or they changed to a new phone number and no longer use the old one. But if you know they are actively on WhatsApp, the issue might be a contact sync error. To fix contact sync error, delete the person phone number from your phone contact and then re-add the phone number. Ensure you include the full country code. Less commonly, this problem is happening due to app glitch or server down issue. If you think this problem is happening due to app glitch or server down issue, then go to Play Store and update your WhatsApp and then restart your device. If you are facing this problem for server issue or app glitch, hopefully this method will fix your problem.